It is a universal truth that aging is going to bring multiple health problems unless we try to keep ourselves fit and healthy. Our bodies weaken with time, and so do our joints as well as our bones. They wear out with growing age and become really weak, sometimes even a bit brittle. Pains in our joints, bones, and knees slowly get really intense, and it can very well limit our overall mobility. Sometimes, it can make us incapable of doing even the most generic tasks in our everyday lives. Aging is very prone to affecting the joints in our knees, since this joint is where 80% of our body weight is put on when we stand. The joints can also wear out owing to bad posture of the body, a lot of weight, extended periods of standing, and a variety of other reasons. All of this information is bound to depress anyone, but there is a method that is known to be very effective against pain in the joints, and will help you restore the vitality in the joints of the body. Being a natural remedy, it has no bad effects or side effects. One of the most significant factors is to prevent problems from the start before they develop into full-fledged ailments. One must always try to rip out ailments from their very root before they can take over your body and make your life really difficult. The recipe, which is shown below, will help one treat any pain in the bones and the joints, irrespective of the cause of the pain. Joint, bone, and knee pain cure. Ingredients: powdered cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons. Warmed olive oil, half a cup, or apple cider vinegar, 1 cup. Grated ginger, ½ inch. Instructions: add the powdered cayenne pepper and ginger into the olive oil. Warm up the oil first. You can also choose to add the ingredients to the cider vinegar. Following this, stir it to make a paste out of the ingredients. How to use it? Now, just apply this paste to your painful areas and keep it there for 20 minutes. Do this twice every day. Usage: cayenne pepper contains a large amount of the element called capsaicin, which happens to be a pain reliever. The warm sensation which is caused upon application is due to the fact that it is a natural and powerful analgesic. This warm sensation will assist in soothing any pain and discomfort. Upon application for a few weeks, it will become noticeable that the ligaments and tendons will be significantly stronger, the inflammation will be smoothened, and any pain will eventually go away. The recipe for this painkiller is deceptively simple. It has hardly 4 ingredients, which are also found easily in the common market. But their usage is mostly unknown until now. So, the question is, now that you know how to use them to your advantage, are you eager to use this procedure and find out the results for yourself?